Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the Tivimate player on your Android TV even if you don't have Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV and you don't have Google Play Store app, this is what you can do to install the Tivimate player. Just go over to your browser. Any browser will do as long as the TV is an Android TV. So go over to your browser and search Tivimate. It's as simple as that. You're going to go over to the option that says Tivimate app. So choose that option. And if your TV is an Android TV, you're going to get an option like this. If it's a smart TV, you're going to get the same option, but you cannot install. But if it's an Android TV, you're going to get an option like this, and you can go ahead and install. I just want to say this is a player only. This is, you can see, it says it is a player only. You need to add a playlist. So Tivimate is a player. So you go over here, you click on it, I'm going to get the install button. Oh, I already installed it on my Android TV. So you can just, if you're not installing, you're going to get the install button and you can go ahead and install to your Android TV, as simple as that. Now, if the first option doesn't work for you, they can try out the second option, which is just this, which is the second option, but I prefer the first option because that's more official than the second option. So if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.